Welcome to my review of Vesly, a trading bot designed for both novice and experienced traders. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform, showing you how it works, its key features, and whether it's worth your time and investment. When you first land on the Vesly website, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. It promises to make trading simpler and more efficient with automation. Once you sign up, you can connect the bot to your trading accounts and start customizing your preferences. The setup process is straightforward, with clear instructions and minimal technical jargon. The core feature of Vesly is its algorithm that scans the market, analyzes trends, and executes trades based on your settings. The bot supports a variety of trading strategies, which can be adjusted according to your risk tolerance. One of the things I really like about Vesly is how transparent the platform is about its strategies and performance. You can see historical data on how the bot has performed with different market conditions, giving you confidence in its capabilities. In terms of supported exchanges, Vesly is compatible with several major platforms, which is a big plus. It supports cryptocurrency trading, as well as traditional stocks and forex. The bot's adaptability to different markets makes it appealing to a broad range of traders. There are also various plans to suit different levels of traders, from beginners who need simple setups to more experienced users who want advanced features. The backtesting feature is another strong point of Vesly. It allows you to test your strategies on historical data before going live, which is crucial for anyone looking to avoid costly mistakes in real trading. You can tweak the bot's behavior, such as trading frequency, risk management, and stop-loss settings. Many useful links can be found in the description, including resources to get started, additional guides, and further reviews on trading bots. These links will provide valuable insights to help you make a more informed decision. Vesly's customer support is another highlight. They offer 24/7 support through various channels, including live chat, which is quite helpful if you encounter any issues or need clarification. The community around Vesly is also active, with forums and discussion groups where users can share tips and strategies. Overall, my experience with Vesly has been positive. It's a solid trading bot with a great balance of simplicity and advanced features. Whether you're just starting with automated trading or are a seasoned trader, Vesly offers a good range of tools to help you succeed. If you're interested in trying out Vesly, I recommend starting with a demo or a basic plan to test how it fits with your trading style. Don't forget to check the useful links in the description for more information and resources. Make sure to like this video if you found the review helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and trading tips.